who is so fierce when he rages over his little lion cub, born dead, without breath. With his voice, when he cries out to it, makes it live again. So can my good lady and love do with me and heal me of my pains? All the joyful seasons come, April and May. Now my good fortune should surely come. Love has slept too long, gave me the power to love, but not the courage to ask. How many good honors fear and dread have taken from me? Rich would be the reward, very true, very real. If a mercy does not forget me, like a shipwreck, no escape except by swimming. So would I be rescued, lady, with just a little help? It holds me sad and joyful. Often I sing, often I rage, often I grow thin and often I grow fat, for love has divided itself within me. Joyful and married to sadness, with laughter and with play, with worry and with thought, it shows its rich worth to me. Between laughter and tears, all the beautiful faces in the world are in you and more, lady, completing our worth. If you were both in love, no one could improve you. Even so, you are without equal, walls and castles and towers of honor and flower of beauty, lady. May God save you, for no one can improve you but through you. Love kills me. My soul and my heart no longer seem to be mine, nor do I seem to be in my body, for no other riches here would hold me, not walls.